Welcome to G-Lite concept. Today I'm going to teach you how to blur a picture in CorelDRAW. So we have our picture here. So to do that, let's go to Effects and Blur. Here is Blur. So let's come to version Blur, and you can see something blur here. So to you can change the radius here. You can reduce it to almost no blur. And when the radius is completely zero, or this is 0.1, you notice there's very little blur. And let's continue increasing it, and you can see how it's blurring. You can take it so far that it almost look like a background, or should I say a gradient, and that is, you can almost see nothing. You can take it back a little bit and you can see something like this. So this is how you blur in CorelDRAW. Thank you.